Hello everyone, welcome to the channel OCS by Ranjan. 2025 B.Ed साइंस एग्जाम सरी जाइए। आज आम चलतु डिस्कस करवा 2025 B.Ed साइंस रो क्वेश्चन आंसर। जदि आपण मैंने 2026 B.Ed प्रिपेयर होगा चाहूँगी OCS by रंजन आप्रु B.Ed बैच जॉइन करें। पर मंथ कॉस्ट रोचे 99 रुपीज़। चलतु डिस्कसन करवा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, two equal masses are attached to the two ends of a spring constant K. The masses are pulled out symmetrically to stretch the spring by a length x over a natural length. The work done by the spring on each mass is, ठीक आंसर टी हम ऑप्शन डी 1 - 1/4 kx square. Question number 2, an empty plastic box of mass m is found to accelerate at the rate g/6 when placed deep inside water. How much sand should be put inside the box so that it may accelerate down at rate of g/6? ठीक आंसर टी हम ऑप्शन ए 2m/5. Question number 3, a person going away from a factory on his scooter at a speed 36 km/h to the power 1 -1. Listen to the siren of the factory. If the main frequency of the siren is 600 Hz and the wind is blowing along the direction at the scooter at 36 km/h to the power -1, the main frequency as heard by the person is, ठीक आंसर टी हम ऑप्शन ए 583 Hz. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, मोनोक्रोमेटिक लाइट ऑफ wavelength 600 nm is used in a Young's double slit experiment. One of the slit is covered by a transparent sheet of thickness 1/8 into 10 to the power -5 m made of a material of reflective index 1.6. The number of fringes will shift due to the introduction of the sheet is, ठीक आंसर टी हम ऑप्शन बी 18. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, a hemispherical bowl of radius r is filled with liquid of density P. The pressure at the bottom center of the bowl due to the liquid is, option A 2/3 gr. A charge Q is placed at the center of a cube. The flux of electric field through the six surface of the cube is, ठीक आंसर टी है ऑप्शन बी 7. A uniform wire of resistance 50 ohm is cut into 5 equal parts. These parts are now connected in parallel. The equivalent resistance of the combination is, option A 2 ohm. An electric current I enters the leaves a uniform circular wire of radius A through diametrically opposite point. A charge particle cube moving along the axis of the circular wire passes through its center at speed v. The magnetic force acting on the particle when it passes through the center has magnitude, ठीक आंसर टी हम ऑप्शन डी 0. A diatomic gas does 200 joule of work when it is expanded isobarically. The heat given to the gas in the process is, option A 700 J. Question number 10, the two rails of railway track insulated from each other and from the ground are connected to a millivoltmeter. The vertical component of earth magnetic field is 0.2 into 10 to the power 4 t and rails are separated by 1 m. The reading of the millivoltmeter when the train travels on the track at a speed of 180 km/h to the power 1 each. ठीक आंसर टी हम ऑप्शन डी 11. How many possible combination of quantum numbers are there for n cell? ठीक आंसर टी हम ऑप्शन डी 32. Among the following molecules, which one has highest dipole moment? ठीक आंसर टी हम ऑप्शन सी CHCl3. 13. Which of the following species has unpaired electron? ठीक आंसर टी है ऑप्शन सी. Which of the following is a hard acid? ठीक आंसर टी है ऑप्शन ए. In this reaction 4p plus 3KOH plus 3H2O gives 3KH2PO2 plus PH3. ठीक आंसर टी है phosphorus is both oxidized and reduced. Question number 18. In which of the following CH bond the highest S character is found? ठीक आंसर टी है एसिटिलीन ऑप्शन ए. परक्लोरिक एसिड हैज ठीक आंसर टी हम ऑप्शन ए. 20. If the energy of two protons are in the ratio of 3:2, their wavelength will be in the ratio of ठीक आंसर टी हम ऑप्शन बी 2:3. 21. Prokaryotic cell do not have dash ठीक आंसर टी है ऑप्शन सी mitochondrion. Sandwich model of plasma membranes was proposed by option A. G2 phase of cell cycle occurs between dash ठीक आंसर टी है ऑप्शन ए M phase and S phase. Question number 24. Which one is said to have semi autonomous nature? ठीक आंसर टी है ऑप्शन डी क्लोरोप्लास्ट. 25. The family X आंथोफाइसिन belongs to ठीक आंसर टी हम ऑप्शन ए algae. The sporophyte of dash is devoid of seta ठीक आंसर टी है ऑप्शन ए Riccia. Which statement is wrong about gymnosperm? ठीक आंसर टी है ऑप्शन बी Strobili are unisexual. 28. Which one is not a resemblance between bryophytes and peridophytes? ठीक आंसर टी हम ऑप्शन डी 29. Which is not a renewable energy source? ठीक आंसर टी है ऑप्शन ए fossil fuel. Regarding biological resource, the number of species for unit area is called species. ठीक आंसर टी है ऑप्शन डी richness. 31. In relation to energy flow in an ecosystem, PAR refers to option A. The consumer that feed on the herbivores are called ठीक आंसर टी है ऑप्शन बी प्राइमरी कार्निवोरस. 33. Combustion of fossil fuel, mining and industries are main source of air pollution. Option B. Question number 34. The most significant contributor to water pollution due to human interface is agriculture. 35. The maintenance process of living organisms go on every time and together they are called life process. 36. The compounds that are utilized for providing energy to the plants are ठीक आंसर टी है carbohydrates. The substance that is secreted by gastric glands and protects their inner lining of the stomach from the action of hydrochloric acid under normal condition is option D Mucius. In yeast, the pyruvate is converted into dash under anaerobic condition. ठीक आंसर टी है ऑप्शन बी इथेनॉल एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. Dash of throat ensure that the air passage does not collapse. ठीक आंसर टी है ऑप्शन सी. During daytime, when the stomach are open, the major driving force in the movement of water in the xylem is option A transpiration pool. The decimal equivalent of binary number 11001 is ठीक आंसर टी हम 25 11001 এটা হয়ে গেল 1 এটা হয়ে গেল 2 4 8 and 16 यदि आम इंटू करवा 0 0 काटिदेबा ये रहा 1 into 1 1 plus 1 into 8 8 sorry 1 into 16 plus 16 एटा हबो केते 1 plus 8 plus 16 is equal to 25 25 हबो ठीक आंसर. Question number 42. For the set A 5n, n belongs to n, B is equal to 7n, n belongs to n, and C is equal to 35n, n belongs to n. Which one of the following option is true? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन डी. Question number 43. On the set 1 2 3 4, consider the relation R is equal to 1 2 3 1 3 4. What is the maximum number of elements to be added in R to make it an equivalent relation? ठीक आंसर टी हबो 11 ऑप्शन ए. Which of the following relation on R is not a function? ठीक आंसर टी हबो जोटा कि क्वेश्चन टी भूल अच्छी आपण मानकर एटा ग्रेस दिया ही पारे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 45. व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पेयर ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन इज इनकंसिस्टेंट? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन डी 2x plus 3y is equal to 7, 4x plus 6y is equal to 5. Choose the correct answer from the following option for the assertion A followed by the reason R. ठीक आंसर डी हबो both A are correct but R is not correct. Explanation for A. Question number 47. What is the remainder when the polynomial x to the power 100 plus x to the power 50 plus 1 is divided by x square plus 1? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन सी 1. Question number 48. Hardik and Shivang attempted to solve the same quadratic equation. Hardik made a mistake in writing down the constant term and ended up in getting the roots 4 3 respectively. Shivang made a mistake in writing down the coefficient of x and got the root 3 2 respectively. The correct roots of the equation are option A 1 and 6. 49. What is the value of 0.000001 to the power 1 by 3? ठीक आंसर टी है 0.01. Question number 50. Rupees 8400 divided among A, B, C and D in such a way that the shares of A and B, B and C and D are in the ratio 2:3 and 4:5 and 6:7 respectively. Then what is the share of A? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन ए रुपीस 1280. 51. If x varies inversely as y cube minus 1 and x is equal to 6 when y is equal to 3, then what is the value of x when y is equal to 8? ठीक आंसर टी हम ऑप्शन बी 156 डिवाइडेड बाय 511. क्वेश्चन नंबर 52 log 224 divided by log 96 minus log 192 divided by log 12 यार सॉल्यूशन हम 3 ऑप्शन सी. क्वेश्चन नंबर 53 if log 10 2 is equal to 0.3010 then what is the number of digit in 2 to the power 64? ठीक आंसर टी हम 20. क्वेश्चन नंबर 55 क्वेश्चन नंबर 54 which of the following assertion is true? ठीक आंसर टी हम ऑप्शन सी both I and double I. 55 for x belongs to R, which one of the following assertion is false? एथिरे किछि ऑप्शन फॉल्स देई नाही, सब जाक ऑप्शन ट्रू हबो, सेथि पई एटा मध्ये आपन को ग्रेस मिली पारे. 56 in a triangle ABC if angle C is equal to 60 degree then what is the value of cos A plus cos B divided by cos A minus B by 2? ठीक आंसर डी हबो ऑप्शन डी 1. क्वेश्चन नंबर 57 the angles of elevation of the top of a tower is 30 degree. If the height of the tower is doubled then the angle of elevation of its top will be. ठीक आंसर टी हम लेस देन 60 डिग्री. If the shadow of tower standing on the level ground is found to be 40 meter longer when the sun's altitude is 30 degree then when it was 60 degree then what is the height of the tower? ठीक आंसर टी हम ऑप्शन बी 2√3 मीटर. 59 3 or more lines which pass through the same point are called as concurrent lines. Which of the following statement is incorrect? एटा मध्य आपन को ग्रेस मिली पारे. क्वेश्चन टी भूल अछि. Read the passage carefully and answer the question 61 to 64. देखिबा 61 नंबर क्वेश्चन कौन देछि? Which statement is false with regard to street art? यार ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन सी इट इज फाउंड इन बोथ सिटीज एंड विलेज एरियाज. 62 which purpose of street artist is not right? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन ए टू earn name and fame and money for himself. 63 which technique is not used for street art? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन बी फिंगर पेंटिंग. Why did street art start out very strictly? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन डी because it was illegal to encroach public and private property. Answer the question 65 to 70 choosing the correct alternative. Question number 65 which is the synonym of optimism? ठीक आंसर टी हबो ऑप्शन बी hopefulness. Which is the antonym of hazardous? ठीक आंसर टी हबो safe. A person who does not believe in existence of God is called option C atheist. I asked the boy dash which of the following clause correctly complete the sentence. ठीक आंसर टी हबो how old he was. She divided the cake dash her 5 children. Identify the correct preposition. It habo among. Option D. Identify the correct sentence. ठीक answer टी habo. Option B. He made such funny faces that I could not but laugh. Gases are good conductor of electricity at. ठीक answer टी habo. Option B. Low pressure. The total number of bones in the human body is 206. The main function of constituent assembly is. ठीक answer टी habo. Option A. Which of the following is not the organ of a government? Option D. Political parties. The retirement age of judge of the Supreme Court is. ठीक answer टी habo. Option A. 65 years. 76. A society which is government for the good for all is called Socialist Society. 77. The National Open School was set up by Government of India in the year. ठीक answer टी habo. 1989. Name of the educational policy which was immediately followed by program of action to implement the policy declaration is. ठीक answer टी habo. Option C. National Policy on Education 1986. 79. The Review Committee on the Curriculum of 10-year School 1977 is also known as. Option D. Question number 80. The district primary education program was started in the year. Option B. 1994. 81. In a row shared its 7th from right and 27th from left. Then how many students are there in the row? ठीक answer टी habo. 33. A, B, C, D, E are 5 rivers. A is smaller than B, but B is longer than E. C is longest and D is little smaller than B and a little longer than A. Which is the smallest river? ठीक answer टी habo. E. Option D. Question number 83. If A is equal to 1 and 19 then and is equal to 19 then bat is equal to what? ठीक answer टी habo. 23. Question number 84. In a certain code give is written as VIEG and over is written as EVRO, how will disk will be written in the same code? ठीक answer टी habo. Option D. A, B, C and D are playing cards. A and C and B and D are partners. D is to right of C, the face of C towards west, in which direction D is facing? ठीक answer टी habo. South. At present, the ratio between the ages of Arjun and Deepak is 4:3 after 6 years. Arun's age will be 26 years. What is the age of Deepak at present? ठीक answer टी habo. 15. Question number 87. If every Saturday, second Saturday of all Sundays are holiday in 30 days of month beginning on Saturday, then how many working days are there in that month? ठीक answer टी habo. 23. Question number 88. The position of how many digits in the number 351462987 will remain unchanged after the digits are rearranged in ascending order within the number? जदि आम या लिखा ताहले 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 कहार कहार पोजिशन चेंज हेलानी 4 जोटी अच्छी 4 जगह सेट रहिला एवं 8 जोटी अच्छी 8 जगह मध्य सेट रहिला दीटा एक डिजिट चेंज हेलानी 2 ठीक आंसर हम ऑप्शन सी अरेंज द फॉलोइंग वर्ड्स इन लॉजिकल एंड मीनिंगफुल ऑर्डर 89 ठीक आंसर टी हम ऑप्शन ए 90 फाइंड द नेक्स्ट 2 टर्म्स ऑफ गिवन सीरीज ठीक आंसर टी हम ऑप्शन ए एन सी 91 when students in the class are frequently off task during group activity the teacher should ठीक आंसर टी हम ऑप्शन डी the teacher should use group roles and provide clear instruction to ensure accountability within each group. What is the best way for the teacher to handle classroom while students are frequently disruptive and preventing others from learning? ठीक आंसर टी हम ऑप्शन सी establish clear cut rules and expectation while providing consistent positive reinforcement for exhibiting good behavior. Name the classroom management technique that helps students to become self-disciplined and responsible for their own learning. ठीक आंसर टी हम collaboration and problem solving. According to Lev Vygotsky, learning is ठीक आंसर टी हम ऑप्शन डी ए सोशल एक्टिविटी 95 learning is the modification of behavior through experience and training. This statement was given by Gates option B 96 which of the following is an important social goal of education ठीक आंसर टी है ऑप्शन सी developing a sense of cooperation and responsibility 97 the role of NTA is ठीक आंसर टी हम ऑप्शन सी conduct national level entrance examination 98 one of the key challenges in implementing competency based education is ठीक आंसर टी है lack of flexibility in learning space. Which of the following responsible for implementing the midday meal scheme ठीक आंसर टी है MOE 100 one of the major disadvantages of excessive use of technology in education is reduced accessibility for students from low income backgrounds option B